Welcome back, artists. It's Christmas season. It's my favorite season of the year. I loved it as a child, especially winter. Couldn't wait for the first snow. And so I thought I would do a series of fun Christmas theme ideas like so many of us like to do. In this case, I'm going to do some Christmas cookies. And the idea is that maybe they just happen to spill out onto the table. I've sketched out a couple designs here, something similar to what designs my mother and aunts might have used for Christmas cookies when we were kids. So the idea is just some random size cookies with a few little themes, Christmas themed items on the cookies themselves. So let's get started. Now I could use watercolor graphite. I don't think I really need to. In this instance, I do that because I want to get the three-dimensional to get my values straight. These things are pretty flat and just there. They're real simple. And so I just think I'll just go dive in and start it. So I've got my designs here. So let's start with the first one here. Here's my Christmas tree. And they would have been frosting. It would have been on the Christmas cookies. So we'll just, very simple geometric shapes. Like three stacked triangles here. And I'll connect those, try to make them look like frosting, and put it on there good and thick. It'd have been, food coloring in the frosting. So, and something about like that. I get my edges nice and crisp if I can. Try to do something about like that. All right, there's my trees. Do my candy canes here. Okay, the alternating stripes of red. I'll fill these guys in. Okay, then a little bit on the bottom there. Okay. Now, these are supposed to be Christmas ornaments. But if I make them red, let's make them, what color haven't I used? Let's use pink. If I make them red, people are going to think they're apples. All right, come around here like this. Let's see if I can make it a curved item. I'll pretend this cookie had an accident. It got a little banged up. There we go, looking better. All right. And then he'll have a little gold top on him, where he hooks onto the tree. Little wire loop there. Okay. All right. Now, what color haven't used? Haven't used blue, so let's try phthalo. Phthalo's a big, strong blue. Put my cross. My mom and aunts would have used all the colors of the rainbow in making their Christmas cookies. So I will do the same. Okay, so there's that one. Now, let's try to make them look like they're cookies. So we'll come around here with it's going to be round ones in my view. round cookies with these little symbols on the round cookies. Okay, so we'll do the same basic thing we did with the pink tree ornament. I actually find this pretty easy doing these round. So I'm going to start again here because this has had maximum time to dry. So I kind of come around here to lose my outside edge. Okay, the eye will naturally want to make that shape. All right, I'll add a little. Because I'm left-handed, we'll assume, like I normally say, unless I put the source of light in the painting itself, as a left-hander, my strong side is my left side. Put the source of light off the page at 10 o'clock. If I were a right-hander, it would be off the page at 2 o'clock. But I'm left-handed, so off the page at 10 o'clock means this is the shadow side, the opposite side. All right. Give the cookie a little bit more dimension. Okay, so I want to be careful. That was the last one I did. I went and let's go in sequence. So if I have time to dry, I'll lift him off. Stay away from the blue. So this guy has time to dry. So all right, so we'll lay this guy down, overlap our cookies. Okay, same sort of thing. Come in here, just sort of some brown sugar cookies, something like that. Okay, same sort of thing up here. All right, come in here. Come down here for this guy. I'll run these together, run these colors together, and then we'll try to do a little value shift and separate one cookie from the next. All right, so there we go. They're all roughly the same sort of thing, all made in the same batch, I guess. I'll pretend they are. They're all friends in the cookie jar. All right, make a little dark here. And then, again, light from the upper left. Okay, down here, same thing with this guy. Same thing there. Come around here. Paper's still pretty wet. Okay. All right. All right, so now I'm just sort of dancing around, trying to get darks. Okay. Now that's not too bad. Not too bad right there. All right, but we can do better. I'll make my lifting off my cookies here. Okay. So I want to come in here on the shadow side here. Again, I'm left-handed coming from the upper left. I'm going to use blue. I love the blue, yellow and blue combination. All right. I'm going to come here a little bit. And if it's not too dry, this should work. Okay, set it down here. This is just cobalt blue. Just put it on there and let it chart that because the paint goes wherever the water goes. Okay, there we go. I like that. That's helping to create the illusion they're setting on a surface, like a table, like a tabletop or countertop or something. That's not too bad. I'm liking that. Now I'm just going to do, again, since the colors come down from the left, set it down here. Put some blue up here. Didn't clean my brush very well. All right, so just get it really wet, lift it off. I just want some blue. A little bit just to run together, help tie it together. Darken up here a little bit. Oops. Pull the blue out. Now, I've got lots of backgrounds and that sort of thing here, which is to be expected when you're working. But that's not too bad. I kind of like that. It's loose, it's impressionistic. Now I could take, this is getting a bit fiddly, outline my little objects a little bit, because a frosting would be sitting on top of, I'm going to get this wet. I'll use phthalo blue, get it wet. Load up my brush. Okay, on the shadow side. Okay. I might add a little, just to help set it down a little bit. Okay. And maybe a little, kind of abstracting a little bit, just to balance out the paper, because I only have yellow on the bottom and yellow, a little more yellow at the top. All right, there we go. I think that reads as Christmas cookies. Yes, it's fast and loose, but it was really fun. And I think if you showed that to anyone, I think they'll say, oh yeah, those look like Christmas cookies. So, all right, I hope you've enjoyed that. If you found this interesting, give it a try yourself. Well, if you like it, I intend to do some more Christmas themed items here in the near future through the holiday season. So if you find it, have any other ideas, leave me a comment, please. Send me a like and subscribe if you will, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.